What's up, gurus? We've got a storm coming, but it's all right because we're in here in the garage getting stuff done. Yeah, I just want to do a quick mail call, show you guys a couple things, some graphics and a seat cover. All right, man, my buddy Levi's new numbers came in. He added the AMA Hill Climb logo right there, changed up a few things. His bike is the one I've done a lot of videos on, CRF 450R 2003 suspension stuff. He's really big into the regional and national hill climb scene, so you can check him out on Facebook or something. He's got a really sweet Honda 450. We got some tank graphics for an XR 650R, and then an entire graphics kit done in the carbon setup for an XR 650R. I'll post some pictures up when these are installed. These are my buddy Mike's. Check these out, guys. There's a video dropping on these in a couple days, but these are the Cowan KY02 wireless earbuds with the charge box and everything. I'm a podcast addict and love these things too, so I did a video on those. All right, let's check this out here. Oh, credit card, that's what I need, is another one of those. Ooh, I've got like 5 issues of Motocross Action saying that it's gonna be my last issue, and I never seem to have time to look through any of them. This is probably my favorite MX mag. I don't really agree with the opinions of a lot of the people that run the magazine, but they seem to have the most tech, how-to, more of the motorcycle specific wrenching stuff. And then if I had to choose a favorite magazine that covers the racing, it's Racer X without a doubt. But yeah, I've got like a stack of 6 or 7 of these to look through. Pop this thing open. And another XR 650R seat cover. You can see how these kind of go together. It's got the black sides, black top, gray pleats, red accents. These are made on demand by Factory Backing, guys. We are a dealer for them, so if you want any custom made seat cover, get with me. I can get you a little bit of a discount. They don't take that long at all. The color options, there's 4 or 5 different designs, and the color options are pretty endless, guys, so you can kind of design your own. But they're quality made. I haven't had one rip or tear or anything yet, and I've got a lot of seat covers over the years. Check this out. You know what this is? The fresh AMA card. Gotta be. But I can't remember what year pin I'm due. There it is. Wow, guys. Can you see that? Will that focus? If you can't see it, that is a 16-year AMA pin. It's crazy to think about that I've been a member of the AMA for 16 years. Seems like just yesterday, my parents had to sign me up because we were going to our first big AMA race down in Tennessee. There we go. Look at that. Beautiful, isn't it? And I used to have all these on a backpack, and I had them all in one hat for a while. I've lost some of them over the years, lost some in the house fire. But I'm going to start trying to keep better track of them. I'm going to put them all in something. I think they're just something really cool. But yeah, it'll be nice to be rolling around with a valid AMA card again. Guys, if you're not aware, even if you don't need this AMA card to ride or race, if you get one of these cards, it's $50 a year. If you get one of these, the roadside assistance you get is unreal. Even if you don't ride motorcycles at all, an AMA membership is worth it just for the roadside assistance. You get on, you pay $50, you make sure you select automatic renewal, meaning they're going to go ahead and charge your card next year another $50. If you do that, you get free roadside, and the free roadside is crazy. If you break down in your car, truck, motorcycle, camper, RV, whatever, you break down in that, they will tow you. They will come and get you and tow you 35 miles for free. guys, I broke down in my truck pulling my box trailer home from a race, and I had to be towed about 25, 27 miles to get to back to my house. And my tow bill was going to be like $300, and it's free. And it's not you pay for it and then you get reimbursed. No, you don't pay $1 out of pocket. One morning, I locked my keys in my Impala running. I drove my other truck to work. By the time I got to work, they had already came to my house, unlocked your doors. They will bring you a gallon of gas, but they will do all this like once a week. So I'm telling you, you lock your keys in your car one time, or you break down one time throughout the year, and you've paid for like 5 or 6 years of AMA membership. Plus, the AMA fights hard to keep our riding areas and motorcycle riders' rights going. So, guys, the best thing you can do is get on and become a member. And there's some other perks too that I used to take advantage of back in the day that I don't as much now. But it doesn't matter what you ride or if you ride. Join the American Motorcycle Association. It's a hot one today in Appalachia, guys. It's supposed to be like 90 the next 4 days with pretty much no chance of rain, humidity, crazy. But yeah, been out here dying today. Put a clutch cable on my buddy's 99 KLR 650, which you'll probably recognize. Used to be my KLR 650. So this clutch cable that was on it was like, it had a couple frayed cables, but it also, I mean, it won't even move. You can't even move it with your hand. It doesn't move. It was just shot. So we put a new $10 cable, $15 cable on it, and it's great. Besides that, I've got the WR450 right there to still got to put my water pump and outer clutch cover on. I'm just finishing up the top end on that KX450 right there, so you'll see that video come up eventually. Still got to revalve Krista's forks, but I'll have some time in the next few weeks. I'm going to knock this stuff out, guys. There's a couple other things I'm super excited about. There's a couple other things I'm super excited about that I can't announce just yet, but let's just say that we have a new piece of equipment coming to the channel. Within the next week-ish, you guys haven't seen me use any equipment like this before. It's not really huge on any MX channels, and I'm hoping to change that a little bit. So I think it's going to be cool. Also, we got a couple new sponsorships, a couple new brands we partnered with, and I'm excited to announce all that. Can't quite do it yet, but keep your eye on the channel. Guys, thanks to every one of you guys that comment, like, and all the kind, uplifting words. That stuff means a lot, more than you can possibly understand. So thanks so much, and we'll see you in the next one.